Please listen carefully.
Hi chums! Kamusta na kayo? Panibagong araw, panibagong DIY na pwede nyong maging business. Tara, umpisahan natin. Ang ating gagawin ngayon ay A4 Sentra board or modern wall art as 7th birthday souvenir. Una, gagawa tayo ng layout gamit ang Canva. So ito ay short preview lang ng paggawa ko ng layout. Kung gusto nyo ng step-by-step tutorial, just comment down below. Pagkatapos natin ng layout, isi-save nga natin. Click PNG. And the resolution, kailangan yung pinakamataas para malinaw pag na-print. Pag okay na ang layout natin at na-save na, ipiprint natin ito sa matte vinyl sticker. Yan, hintayin lang nating ma-print. Tapos ang susunod natin gagamitin ay cold laminating film. Ilalapat nga lang natin ito sa ibabaw ng na-print nating layout or image. Una, ipipil natin yung cold laminating film, then ididikit natin sa vinyl sticker. And pagkadikit natin yung dulo, pwede na natin siyang i-insert sa laminating machine. Pero kung hindi kaya, pwedeng gumamit ng squeegee para i-press ito at dapat wala siyang bubbles. Wala namang specific settings na kailangan natin gawin sa ating laminator dahil ang gagawin lang natin ay cold lamination. So, i-on lang natin ang machine. Then, kung gusto nating i-insert sa harap, pipindutin lang natin ang forward. At kung sa likod naman natin gustong i-insert is pipindutin lang natin yung reverse. Natapos na nga tayo sa paglalaminate, ididikit na natin ang ating vinyl sticker sa Sentra board. Gagamit tayo ulit ng squeegee sa part na to. So, kailangan nating maidikit ng maayos, walang bubbles at walang wrinkles ang ating vinyl sticker sa Sentra board para mas maganda ang outcome. At kung wala pa nga kayong squeegee katulad namin, gumamit lang tayo ng towel pang press para mas dumikit ang vinyl sticker sa Sentra board. After nga nating maidikit ang vinyl sticker, ikat lang natin yung mga unnecessary edges gamit ang knife cutter para mas maganda at mas malinis tignan ang ating Sentra board.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it.
So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done.